hates me. I was wondering if after all these years you got to me to go over everything. They say the time's supposed to be here, but I never you. Hello, can you hear me? I'm a California dreaming about who we used to be. We were younger and free. I've forgotten how we built the world that I thought we were such a difference between us and a million miles. Hello from the other side. I must have gone 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. When I call, you never seem to be home. Hello from the outside. At least I can say that I tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it doesn't matter clearly, 'cause I'm telling you about it anymore. Hello, how are you? It's so typical of me to talk about myself. I'm sorry. I hope that you're well.